4 years after your bankruptcy discharge is a bigger milestone than most people realize. In New York, that's when several doors start to open again. Start with your mortgage. Most conventional lenders follow a 4-year waiting period after a Chapter 7 discharge. So if yours came through 4 years ago, you may qualify for a conventional home loan now. Not just an FHA loan with extra mortgage insurance, a standard mortgage at standard rates. Your credit tells a similar story. The bankruptcy still shows on your report, but 4 years of on-time payments carries more weight than the old filing. Scores often climb back into a solid range by this point if you've rebuilt carefully. There's also a filing rule worth knowing. If you went through Chapter 7 and later need Chapter 13 relief, the law generally requires 4 years between filings before your new debts can be wiped out. So the 4-year mark matters if new debt has piled up. Here's what to do at year 4. Pull all 3 credit reports. Debts erased in the bankruptcy sometimes still show as active or past due, and that's an error you can force them to fix. Clean up the reports, then look at your mortgage options. If yours is about 4 years behind you, call us. Let's see what's possible now.